I purchased a new 7.25 190cc Craftsman Platinum EZ vertical bar walk dual variable speed rear propelled lawnmower from Sears almost 3 months ago. I was told I would need to replace the oil after its initial 5 hours. I allowed the engine to run out of fuel before doing this so the fuel would not spill over when I tilted the mower. While the mower was tilted, I removed the blade and sharpened it. I performed the recommended test of balancing the blade with a 5/8 of an inch bolt to make sure it remains in a horizontal position, and it does. I replaced the oil with the 20 ounces bottle sold to me at the time, but only added approximately 18 ounces. I also refilled the fuel tank with a fuel/stabilizer. The machine starts back up, but the rev is sluggish and are not revving high like normal, as if it's choking and then dies out. Or when I place it on the grass and propel the rear wheels, it dies out. I contacted Sears, but they no longer have techs on premise. They send the machine out and get it back 14 to 30 days. I need to cut my lawn before my neighbors get upset. The manual indicates the carburetor is not adjustable, and recommends not messing with it, but I am pretty handy. Can anyone please help me understand the problem or method of repair for this problem? Please help. Did you use fuel that was newly purchased from your local gas station?
Little_Tech Talker, have you noticed any black smoke coming from your exhaust? Little_Tech Talker, your engine was running as it should prior to you changing your oil? Little_Tech Talker, thanks. Have you tried starting your engine without the air filter to see if this makes a difference? Little_Tech Talker, okay, does your engine have primer button or auto choke? Little_Tech Talker, thanks for this information. It seems that you may have some sediments in your carburetor bowl. I would remove the bowl just to check it. Little_Tech Talker, if you can get me the model numbers from your engine, I can pull up a breakdown for you. I do have a suggestion for you. Little_Tech Talker, these numbers are off your mower. Do you see any additional numbers on your engine? I found something for you. Carburetor. Our problem is very likely carburetor related. Little_Tech Talker, thanks. Your carburetor has the auto choke design. When your engine is not running, your choke remains closed. It opens as your engine starts up and runs. Make sure that your choke is fully opening when your engine is running. Click on the link and let's see if it opens up for you. This is how your carburetor looks. May I ask? Have your blade struck a solid object while you was out mowing? Little_Tech Talker, the reason I asked about the blade, you may have a partially sheared flywheel key that have progressively gotten worse.
Okay, you can remove your bowl without removing your carburetor. You can use a 1/2 inch wrench to remove your bowl nut.
Little_Tech Talker, I will send you a video link, click here. It is not your exact engine, but procedures are identical. Check your flywheel key and clean the small holes in your bowl nut and see if this helps you. Little_Tech Talker, you are very welcomed and thank you for choosing JustAnswer. Just let me know what happens after you try my suggestions. If you need further assistance, let me know and I will be happy to continue troubleshooting our problem.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.